Hello everyone, my name is Swastik Banerjee and welcome to SB Codes. Okay, today I am gonna share a few tips about how to remember a function name, many of them in Java, because I am making these videos exclusively for Java computer programming. So I will share few tips regarding Java programming. Okay, regarding functions or remembering the function name or function name, how to use them. Those we have discussed before, and we will discuss it in further videos also. But this is a video exclusively for tips and tricks. Okay, one of the major problem which I faced and still I see people facing. So that's why I thought that make a video on this, and I will try my new mic as well. Okay, I am shooting this on my new mic, so I will do the both of the things together. Okay, so let's start. The basic problem or the problem which comes is to remember a function name. Okay, remembering a function name. Java is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive. The meaning of which you already know. Case sensitive means it will treat capital A and small a differently. Those two are not equal in case of Java. Okay, these two things are not equal for Java. Not equal for Java, Python, okay, C++. For these programming languages, this is the case. Okay, case sensitive means if there is a function name, so exactly the way it is written in the pre-built, it is written in the Java, what to say, in the Java language. Okay, or you can say in the Java JVM. Okay, the way it is written in the Java language, pre-built few functions are already present in Java. Okay, which are given you from before to use. Okay, now the way in which they are written, you have to use them in the same form. For example, there is a function called dot to upper case. Okay, dot to uppercase. Or if I write it, it will be, if I write it, it will be dot to upper upper case plus bracket open close. Okay, so as you can see, this is a function name. What this function does is any string st, maybe a string, st may store a string, and then if I write dot this function, then this function will convert this whole string into uppercase. Okay, so this is a function name, so you have to write it exactly like this. The case that first T will be small letter, then U will be uppercase, T will be in uppercase. So this becomes a few little hectic for the students to remember. For me also, it was very difficult to remember what it will be. Means the function name I know, dot to uppercase. That means I have to I can convert a string to uppercase using this function. That is very clear from these three letters, three words. That is very clear. But the problem is which uh, character is in uppercase and which character is in lowercase. So for that, there is a convention. There is a convention, not a rule actually, but a convention which the programmers follow. Okay, so in every function you will find this convention used. They have always used this convention. Okay, the convention is whenever a function name starts, the starting character, the first character, first. Okay, the first character, if I write that function here again, you will be able to see that is an example. Dot to upper case. I'm taking this as an example. Okay, so you will see what you will see the first character is always in smaller case or in lower case, whatever you see. Okay, it is always in small letters, lower case. The first, the very first letter is always in lowercase. The whole thing will be is in lowercase. Okay, it will never be that first letter is in uppercase and then lowercase, then again uppercase. No, generally lowercase is followed. Okay, a lowercase is followed through the first till the end. But if there are more than one word, like to is a word, upper is a word, case is also a word, three words are present. So how these words will begin? So first word will always begin with a small letter, lowercase. The second word will begin with a uppercase, and then the third word will also, if there are more than one word, then except the first word, all the other words, the starting character will be in uppercase. Okay, so this is a convention. So whenever you remember, this video is going to be short, but this is just a tip video, that whenever you just remember a function name, for example, I just remember two uppercase, but I don't remember which character will be in uppercase and lowercase, then just write it as it is. For example, two, then upper case, whatever is the thing, you just write that, then arrange it first, and then there will be no space in between. That is also that is a rule. Basically, that is not a convention, that is a rule. There cannot be any space, so that is a rule. Then comes the convention, that if there are more than one words, okay, then except the first word, the other words will always start with a capital letter. Okay, will always start with a capital letter. The first word will start with a small letter. Okay, first word. Then consecutively all other words will start with a capital letter, and there will be no gap in between. And a function, always remember, because we are talking about function, a function ends, function name, sorry, a function name, always ends with a parenthesis. Means this brackets. Okay, exception is also there, that we have discussed in previous videos also. Exception is that length function for array. That function is just written like this, no first bracket open close. Okay, that is different. Okay, this is a function name, and another function name is length first bracket open close. These two are not the same function, those are different. Okay, this is the only exception. All other functions you will find following this convention, that it ends with a parenthesis. Okay, so obviously whenever you cannot remember a name, function name, predefined function name, so there is 90%, 99% chance that it will end with a parenthesis, 100% chance there will be no gaps in between the words, and 99.9% chance that this convention will also be followed, that the first word will start with a lowercase, and all the other words will start with a uppercase. Okay, so this was a basic video. I hope that I was able to help you out with the uh, Java programs or Java tip I could give you while writing any program. This is the small things which we thought, means sometimes it happens that I will use this function and I will make it very easy. The Java program will make it very easy, but the problem is I can't remember the function name. So even if you don't remember the function name, generally it's not that you cannot remember the function name. It's that you cannot remember whether it starts with uppercase or lowercase or ends with lowercase or uppercase. That uppercase lowercase creates a very hectic problem. Okay, so for that I thought that to make this video, few conventions and rules you need to know, then you can easily write that this could be the function name, exactly this could be. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to help you out. Thank you. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. COVID is again rising, so stay safe, wear your masks, sanitize your hand, and thank you very much for watching.